Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you. It is your girl Ivy Francis, and today I am going to be handling a very different topic. Apart from the hair stuff I do on this channel, please, I'm begging you, do watch this video to the end, because definitely you will learn something from this video. Okay, this is not the kind of video I do, but I just have to share this with you because I know there might be a lot of us out there that have actually gone through this problem or are currently having issues with shaving bumps, and both here, underarms, and in the bikini lines area. So I'm going to handle that in detail. So let's go right into the video. Okay, so I think I just have to start by showing you two products that I have been using for my shaving, especially my underarms and my bikini area. Okay, so this is the shaving oil, this is the after shaving oil, and this is the actual shaving oil that I use. You know that it is not good for you to shave dry. I mean, if you're actually going to be shaving, you're not supposed to shave it dry. I mean, you need to moisturize that particular area on the places that I want to shave, where I have the hairs. First, give it some time for it to go in, then I shave. Then after shaving, I go in and apply this oil, because after shaving, you're actually going to feel irritated after shaving. So I go in with this particular oil. Put the tips down here so I won't miss a thing. You need to be consistent with a particular shaving stick that you are using. Today you shouldn't use shaving stick A and the next one you are using Z. You need to be consistent, because if you, especially for those of us that have very sensitive skin, once you change from shaving stick A to shaving stick Y or Z, your skin will notice those things and it's actually going to react to it. Okay, so, and secondly, the kind of shaving stick that you should use should be the one that have 3 blades. If you have a sensitive skin, like you are prone to bumps and all of that, you should actually have 3 blades in it. And after shaving, you need to dispose the shaving stick, especially this type of shaving stick that is not something that you can reuse. But if it's something that you have to reuse, you need to sterilize it before using it. You can hot water and just soak it in hot water, and you can add spirit or Dettol to it before you apply it. You start shaving, using it to shave again. For me, I don't repeat shaving stick. Once I'm done with shaving stick, I discard it, because I don't want to have any shaving bumps and all of that. After all, shaving sticks are not very expensive. What? The next thing you need to do is that you need to shave at night. At night or in the evening, or the days that you know that you probably won't be going out. Because after shaving, and why I'm actually saying at night is that after shaving, if you shave and you wear your clothes at the same time, especially very tight clothes, your skin is actually going to start reacting to it. Like, it's actually going to be itchy, you won't feel comfortable. So preferably the time to shave is in the evenings or at night, when you know that after shaving you're probably going to bed wearing loose clothes. Especially for your bikini areas, you need to shave at night as well. And when you finish shaving, don't wear any undies. If you have to wear undies, please, they should not be tight undies, because if you wear tight undies, it's actually going to react to your skin or with your skin, and that is when those bumps actually comes into play. You need to shave downwards. Okay, you need to shave downwards if you are shaving. That's what I do, but probably you need to check the direction of your hair and check where the hair is going, then you shave. So if you are using this particular shaving oil, then after applying it, you have to raise your hands upward. You don't need to keep your hands like this. You need to stretch out your hand very well, and you shave like this, like this, like this. So you don't need to do zigzag, crisscross and all of that. So you just, from where your hair starts, you take it down, and you go to the next place, you repeat the same thing. You go to this one, you repeat the same thing until all the hair is out. Same thing should actually apply to your bikini area. And when it gets to, I don't want to go so deep into this place, like I don't want to go like real into details. I don't want YouTube to strike me. So you should actually check where your bikini lines are. You're actually shaving your bikini lines. You see it's like V like this, so you can actually shave towards your skin, not towards your skin like this, and not outside. But if your hairline actually goes that way, then you can actually follow like that. So after you've gone swap like this, then you could actually go like this, or you go like this for the bikini lines. Okay, and if need be, if you have to use more than one shaving stick when you are shaving, that is completely fine. I think I forgot to mention one thing. When you are shaving, about to shave, you need to get a warm water, put that water, like warm water, in a cup, so that as you are taking out the hairs, you are dabbing it there, you are cleaning your shaving stick. You wouldn't want your shaving stick to be full with a lot of hair, so you're actually cleaning it out, cleaning like cleaning the whole thing out. Okay, for those of you that wouldn't want to shave like all the way down, you really like your hairs, especially in the bikini areas, then you are like, I have to recommend you use scissors, or you feel that no matter the kind of shaving stick you use, it usually reacts to your skin, then you need to get a pair of scissors that is dedicated for that purpose only. So you just trim to make sure that it goes down really low. I think it goes down really low. Okay, I think I forgot to mention, to add one thing. When you are shaving your bikini areas, it is better you sit with your legs wide open, and if possible, get a mirror in front of you so that you'll be able to see everything that you are doing. You need to get a mirror in front of you so that you see everything that you are doing. Okay, guys too can also use this particular oil. Those guys that whenever you shave, you have shaving bumps and all of that, you can also use this. Just apply this on your hair first to soften the hair before you go in with your shaving stick, and after shaving, you apply this one on that area before, just apply it on that area. That's basically what I'm going to say. And for those of us that like shaving our skin, this is actually very helpful as well. So what I usually do is that I just rub this oil on my skin, like my hands, my leg, and all the places that I shave. Then before I now start shaving my legs and my hands and all of that. Then after shaving, I go in with this particular oil. This oil actually smells very, wow, it smells really nice. Okay, so much for watching up till this point. I hope the few tips of mine were actually helpful. So if you have other tips that you feel it will be helpful for us in this channel, please kindly drop it in the comment section down below. And if you find this video helpful in any way, what are you even waiting for? Like it, share it with your friends, okay? And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Until another time when I'll come your way, my name is Ida Francis. Bye.